Have you ever asked the question, do I look old in this? Well, if you have, join me today in my 10 Years Younger series and learn styling tips on how to wear active wear for mature women over 50. Hi, I'm Shelley and welcome to Fabulous 50s. If you're new to Fabulous 50s, click subscribe and ring that bell for more videos created for women over 50. Today I'm going to show you some really great tips on how to style your active wear. And so many people ask me, do I look old in this? These styling tips are to help give you confidence when you're choosing your outfits so that you're not confused whether you look too young or too old, because it can be a minefield and we don't really know what to do. First things first, old is good. I love being older, and the older I get, the better I get. And you and I will never ever be as young as we are today. So we may as well enjoy it and embrace it. And for me, being old is just a mindset. And it's an essence of who we are. So if you're 70 and you want to look 60 or 50, or if you're 50 and want to look 40 or 30, why not? Let's have fun with it, and we'll do it in a way that makes us feel good and makes us feel proud of ourselves, and in an elegant way. All of these tips will apply to you no matter what your size. So you can see it on me and then apply those rules to your shape, your figure and your beauty. The number one biggest mistake we can make is to give up. Don't be giving up. You've got a long time to go yet, and enjoy this. Here's me dressed in what I call old lady clothes. Nothing wrong with old ladies. I love old ladies, but I'm just trying to help. Okay, so I'm going to point out all of the elements that contribute to making me look 10 years older. And then I'm going to demonstrate how you can make small tweaks to get a much better result. And looking 10 years younger will be an achievable and instant result for you. We're going to start with the socks. Ankle socks. No, ankle socks will bring attention to anything that's big down there. So if you've got thick ankles or holding fluid, those socks are going to show them off, because light colors make big and dark colors recede. So that light color on my ankles is drawing all the attention. It's saying, look at me, look at me. So if your ankles aren't very skinny and beautiful and slim, you don't want to wear ankle socks. They look old-fashioned, and we can do better. The next thing I want to draw your attention to is these shorts. The hemline finishes at a very unflattering part in my leg, and it's emphasizing my knees that aren't very attractive, and that straight line is unattractive. And then we go up to this top. This is kind of a uniform for many women, but we can do better. So we've got a straight line at the hem, and for many of us that's the widest part of our body, so that line is drawing attention to it. And these stripes don't really look great on anybody. A wide stripe makes us look bigger. And see how the arms flare out at the sleeve? Well, that's a masculine look, and it's not flattering, and it just does nothing for me. And the structured collar in this top is also old-fashioned for workout wear. And then I can do something really, really wrong and tuck it all in. And have a look at me. That's not good, and that's not okay. So I don't want you to wear your workout clothes like this. And the other fashion rule that I'm breaking here is I have a loose pair of pants and a loose top. So the rule is you wear tight on the bottom and loose up top, or loose on top and tight down the bottom. The first thing we're going to fix is my socks. And this is the style of sock that's best to wear. They fit just around the heel and they come low down. So when you've got your shoes on, you can't see them, which is great. You can see there's already a huge improvement. So if you're wearing socks that cover your ankles, this small tweak will make you look younger. Don't be afraid to wear workout tights. They are so flattering on your leg compared to shorts, but there are a couple of tips with these pants that you do need to know first. Number one, the hem of the pants needs to be at the skinny part of your lower leg. I'll use the example here where I'm going to hem it at my calf, which is the widest part in my lower leg. And you can see it makes my knees look more wobbly, and it's bringing attention to the width of my calves. So that's not ideal for me. It just makes my legs look strange. And if I take it up to just above my knee, which as you can see, that's a smaller part of my leg, it comes in, it looks more in harmony with my leg. They don't look all knobby and wobbly. And then if I bring it down again to show off that tiny bit in my ankle, it's more in harmony with my legs and it looks so much better. So you'll be able to do this with yourself. That length on the left or the length on the right is perfect for me, and that's all I need to know. Now you know we need to get rid of this top. One of the most common questions I get is it okay to show your belly in workout gear after we're over 50? And my answer is, I don't think so. I don't think that anyone really needs to be seeing our bellies, you know, at our age. I don't think it's elegant, unless, of course, you have a beautiful six-pack and a beautiful set of abs. You go and do that. This lady here is over 70 and her abs look amazing, and with all that work, why would you not want to show them off every single day? So yes, go for it if you have a beautiful set of abs, but if you have to ask the question, the answer is no. Here's a solution though. You take something that's sheer, a beautiful sheer singlet top, and you can put it over a sports bra and a midriff, and it looks more elegant and you look more put together and it's more age appropriate. If you want to cinch in your waist, both ways look great and you can experiment on your own. You can also add a sleeve to this kind of look. It'll still look great. You can show off your midriff without it really having to be on show. The next thing you can do is take a very simple singlet that kind of sucks you in a little bit as well. I'll leave links where you can get all these. And you can put a t-shirt on. So depending on the shape, wear something that's loose and flattering. And you can wear a sleeve if you like to cover your arms. And you'll notice the arms on this top are soft, as opposed to the arms on the other top that were very stiff and square and flared out. It's a more feminine look and a more youthful look. And again, if you like, you can cinch it in at the waist with a knot, and you've got this little bit of fabric covering you, and you can wear this look at any age. But I'm definitely looking 10 years younger for sure, just by making a few very, very simple tweaks. And ask yourself the question, are you looking younger and better now than you did before? Not are you looking younger or better than somebody else or your neighbor or your friend. That's the wrong question to ask. It's about you improving on your look and enjoying the way that you wear clothes and enjoying the way you present yourself to the world. That's it. Here's another top. This is from Gymshark. I don't think they make them anymore, but you know, as soon as I saw it, I knew that it would suit my body and it would suit so many women's bodies. But it's very, very difficult to find workout wear that is age appropriate for women our age. So I'm making a huge call out there to anybody who knows where you can get great workout wear that's just age appropriate. Let me know. When you add an asymmetric hem to any workout outfit, it's going to look great on you. Compared to the straight line in the striped shirt, it looks 100 times better. And of course, black is a receding color, so it makes me look smaller than what I really am. And another tip, if you wear black on the bottom, that'll make your legs look smaller. Black on top will make your top look smaller. And if you add the right color to your top, it'll make your eyes pop and your skin look radiant. So that's another trick to make you look younger. Color is very, very youthful. A really great tip to take away a few years is to even out your skin tone with some body blur mixed with moisturizer. And then on top of that, I add a Clinique Chubby Stick Glow Stick, but you can use any kind of non-sparkly shimmer that you have, and then just put it on your arms so it reflects light, because reflection of light is very, very youthful. And covering all of our skin imperfections is also youthful. And a very simple trick to add life to your face, to make your face look younger, is to add lip color. And I use the rule nude plus 3. So that is the natural color of your lip plus 3 shades. And that's a really natural workout color. So it doesn't look like you've got a whole lot of makeup on, but it lifts your face instantly and gives your face life. You can't go past the Charlotte Tilbury lip liners and lipstick for this look, and her nudes are perfect. So these are just great for a minimal makeup look that make your face come alive. So now when someone asks you, do I look old in this? You'll be able to give them some really great tips to help them make some small tweaks. I really hope you enjoyed these styling tips. Please give a thumbs up if you did and share it with your friends. And if you enjoyed this style of video, watch either of these videos next for more tips and tricks on how to look 10 years younger, slimmer, more fabulous than you already are, and I think you'll enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.